So y'all gonna write a song with me today. Raw, uncut. Actually just purchased this beat. I was inspired by it, so we're gonna see. Y'all getting it live. Yeah, let's get it. Okay. Yeah. So usually when I'm creating, I'm just vibing. You know, I'm listening to the beat. And before I even write anything down, I like to just try to feel through it first, you know what I'm saying? Whatever the first thing that comes to my mind is, you know what I'm saying? I close my eyes. Sometimes I say some shit that don't even make sense. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try to just off the dome this before I even put pen to paper, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's see. I like that top. Let me see if I can get some old shit mixed into this joint. I want my mama to see me make 100 before she go. I want my daddy to see me make 20 before you. He was the only one that knew that all about it though. Yeah. Alright. Hey, look. It's easier to criticize than to strategize. They hearts not aligned, no wonder they can't empathize. I sympathize with these niggas that's desensitized, then synthesize all the shit I seen with my eyes. See, usually I don't write, I just improvise. Stay on point because these niggas try victimize. Niggas will play both sides like they Gemini, but I'm equipped for all that shit like a Quimini. When I was down, my nigga told me keep my chin up high. Fuck them bird ass bitches, boy, you finna fly. Yeah, look, I'ma tell you what he told me. He said, look, hey look, never let a bitch nigga taunt you. Focus on yourself, you can do what you want to. If you ain't putting in the work, it's gonna haunt you. If you ain't doing what you love, it's gonna cost you. Shit ain't just for me, my nigga, you can floss too. Take care of your team, my nigga, that's what a boss do. This shit about to be cold.